Welcome to BriefCam Bootcamp. This is Johan here, and today we'll be able to provide you with an overview of BriefCam's Video Content Analytics Solutions platform. BriefCam is comprised of three different modules: our Review module, our Respond module, and our Research module. All three of our modules is what allows our solution to be a comprehensive solution. Our Review module allows video to be searchable with BriefCam, our Respond module allows our video to be actionable, and our Research module allows video to be quantifiable. Let's dive into a case here within our Review module. As you see here is the layout once you open a case. On the left-hand side, we have every single source or camera we selected to be relevant within this video investigation. Under it, we have our visual layers, heat maps, areas of refinement, line crossing, and area of focus. In the center, we have every single cataloged object that came across all the cameras we've selected. On the right-hand side, we have all the filters that we have available to search for objects. Not only does BriefCam have the ability to search for the objects and reducing the amount of time it takes to search for an object, but we also have a video synopsis solution that allows you to look at an overview of what took place over several hours within minutes. We see timestamps within the objects, and if there were different dates would be showcasing as well. But here, when we go back to the filters, we are able to see that we can refine the searches for objects when we have information. Let's go here into person attributes, and let's go here into our class filter. Here we're able to see where the deep learning of the solution comes into play. We've trained the engine using hundreds of thousands of video hours to understand the different aspects of objects. BriefCam detects, tracks, and classifies every single moving object that comes to the screen. Not only can we do a search for class, but we can also do searches by facial recognition. With our facial recognition solution, you're able to search for faces not only captured within the video, but also upload an image that you have saved in your machine. We also have the ability to search for license plates using a license plate recognition filter that allows you to search for a partial plate or the whole plate if you have the information. Let's hop into our Respond module and get an overview of the different kind of alerts you can receive. Our Response module is a rule-based alerting system. We can provide the alerts using BriefCam's system, or we can create an integration to send out the alerts in other ways. Let's hop into the backend and see how we can create an alert. Let's click the upper right-hand corner button here to add the alert and create a rule. Here we have a pop-up that states the ability to create different types of alert: a real-time alert, a smart alert, or a people counting alert. The real-time alerts are sent up between 5 seconds. The smart alerts are sent up between 30 to 60 seconds after the rule has been detected. The difference between real-time alerts and smart alerts is that the real-time alerts are not as specific as smart alerts. When we go into creating a real-time alert, let's click Next here. Let's add a title. Click Next. Select the camera. We would have the live view of the camera after selecting how often we want to run the rule. And here we will see that we're now limited to area, line crossing, face recognition, as well as class and count. When we click class, we only have the ability to search for people, two-wheel vehicles, other vehicles, illumination changes. But when we go back, select smart alerts, we see within 30 to 60 seconds, we can trigger an alert like I mentioned previously. But when we select the camera and how often we want to run the rule, we now see that we have the additional classes here and the different additional filters that we set in our Review module as things that we can create rules for. Now let's hop into our Research module and a quick overview about that. Our Research module, as you can gather, is a quantitative piece of our solution. It provides the ability to numerically break down the activity that's been recorded and captured. BriefCam understands the content of the objects that are coming through the recorded video, and it provides you numerical charts with 10 out of the box templates that allow you to have a quick overview of the activity happening within your environment. Whether it's the ability to search how many employees are coming through your building, how to better practice safety standards with regards to events that you might want to exit the building for, what exits and entrances are most used for, even if you were a city, how can I manage traffic within the city? What roads can I clear off if I need to do construction? What sidewalks are more relevant? What crosswalks need to be added? Those are all insights you can gather within our Research module, quantitative pieces of information that is already being recorded within the video. These 3 modules comprise the comprehensive suite of BriefCam that fully unlocks the investments that you have already made by having cameras and a video management system overseeing everything. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you found this overview helpful. If you have any questions and would like to connect with us, please contact us at briefcambootcamp@briefcam.com or by visiting our website www.briefcam.com. To learn more about BriefCam's comprehensive video content analytics platform, please check out the other videos in this series.